All right, so this is our unboxing video of something I found at the Jellystone General Store, and it costs $21.99. It's got a stainless steel blade.
But what is it?
Hold on, let's see what we got here. That's it. All right, ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's take a look what's inside. What do we got?
Whoa.
Oh boy, take it out of the plastic.
Is this a... Whoa! Is
What?
this a
Open it up.
pocket knife?
Open it up.
Bruh.
It's a freaking eagle. It's an eagle knife.
Eagle fang
It's
karate.
Wait a minute.
Bruh.
It's an eagle motorcycle knife. All right, now open it up.
Yours?
Yes, it's mine.
Bruh. It looks like... Bruh.
Oh my God, this is the coolest thing ever.
Dangerous thing ever.
All right, do you know how to close it?
I don't know how to close this knife.
Hey, Dad.
Push the
Wait.
lever.
Where's the lever?
Right. See that right there?
Oh.
Slide. Push that to the side. The other side. Push it to the side. Yes, there you go.
Oh.
All right.
Bro.
Oh, and it's got a belt clip.